Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am back with an amazing Sari kit. I have been gathering saris for the last couple of weeks, and if you're a member of the Angeldreamcrafts Facebook group, you got a sneak peek the other day in the group. If you're not a member, the link is in the description box down below. Please come over and join us, but I've put together a really beautiful kit, and there's 28 pieces in this kit. I have already sold 2 of these, so the number of these kits are limited, so if you want them, you have to grab them really quickly. I do have more available, but like I said, 2 of these are already sold, so message me right away, or you can email me. My email is in the description box, so you can leave a comment down below in the comment section. So let me share with you the kit. I'm really excited about these. So each kit is basically the same, but as is the nature of saris, some of them may be cut slightly different because it is fabric. So let me get started here. So there'll be a piece of this, gorgeous beaded, and there's tons of beaded fabrics in here, just beautiful. This is new, and this has the mirrors in it, and it's heavily jeweled. It is so pretty. I love the pink and the blue together. I was able to get some pink saris this time, which I was very excited about, because pink saris are very hard to find. And then there will be one of these beautiful beaded flowers. So sparkly and gorgeous. That was the back piece for that. And then there's this. This is similar to one that I had before, but the background is not velvet on this one. This one's very different. It's from a pink sari, and it's black and gold. It's black fabric and gold. The other one was burgundy and gold. And then there's this beautiful piece. And some of the kits may have these pieces separate, just again because it's fabric, and it so it depends on how it gets cut. But you will get that piece and then the smaller beaded piece, or it'll be together like that. But look at how gorgeous and shimmery that is. It's so beautiful. This is also a gorgeous, lovely piece. These are rhinestones, and this beautiful big rhinestone piece, and then these are like wire, the tiniest little beaded wire here. So pretty on this beautiful red fabric. And then there's purple and green with rhinestones and sequins here, and then a teal. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you can cut each of these pieces separately and use them, because as you know, with saris, little bits go a long way. And then this is a gorgeous embroidered piece on black with teal and pink, like dark pink and light pink. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. I love this embroidered piece. So pretty. And this beautiful purple piece. Lots of sequins and seed beads, and then this beautiful flower down below here. Isn't that amazing? So pretty. And I was able to give like really good sized pieces this time too. So, and then this is a hot pink, and it will have 2 of the beaded flowers on it. But you also get all the fabric too, and the under fabric as well. So you can make flowers with that. Love that. This is so gorgeous. I love this. It's the most beautiful pumpkin color, but it's like a dark autumn pumpkin color. And then it has all these beautiful pieces on the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. Really heavily beaded. So pretty. Look at the sparkle on that. Absolutely stunning. I found a new appreciation for this color. I just love it. And then there's this beautiful silk piece, and it will have 3 of the of these pieces on it. And that's a lovely soft. This is the softest silk I think I've ever felt. It's incredibly soft. I love it. And then this gorgeous piece. And some of them will have the gold trim on the edge. I've left it on because I know that some of you can make flowers out of that, so I didn't take it off. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely gorgeous. And there's like rhinestones and bling inside the flower there. Oh, and this. This is a tapestry, and it is so beautiful. I mean, I don't think the camera is going to do it justice. The stitching on here is just absolutely amazing. It looks hand-stitched, but I could be wrong. But it wouldn't surprise me if it was. It's an absolutely beautiful, I mean, would that not be gorgeous for the cover of a book? That would make a gorgeous cover for a book. It's so pretty. I absolutely love it. Like the colors, the beautiful hot pink against this jewel tone blue. And it has all the little sequins in it. It's so gorgeous. Love that one. And then this is a very heavy piece on some silk. And it's got all these sequins and seed beads and just bling bling glitter. It's absolutely beautiful. I really love this piece. It's so pretty. Gorgeous teal color. And then now we get into this beautiful purple and silver color. Look at that. It's absolutely stunning silk. I love it. And the silver is very sparkly. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's very, very sparkly. So pretty. And then there is this lovely piece. And again, I tried to give a really big piece where I could. So you can see that's both of my hands in size. But this is a beautiful dark purple color with the silver. I absolutely love this. Gorgeous. And then this beautiful piece, look at this. This actually might be one of my favorite pieces ever. I just love the gold and the turquoise together. It's like a dark turquoise. And then these little dots are white silk thread. Again, that would be a beautiful cover for a book. Absolutely gorgeous. Either side. You could make that side or you could do that side. But it would be beautiful for the cover of a book. I may do that. And then here is another piece in a stripe in the same colors, white and gold and teal. Absolutely beautiful. This is a gorgeous embroidered fabric that I absolutely fell in love with when I found it. It's on a lovely green, and look at these beautiful flower pieces. And all the metallic thread with the leaves, and then the little wave pattern at the bottom. So there's a nice big piece of that. Again, amazing for a journal cover. There's more than enough there to do the cover of a book. It's so pretty. I really, really love that. This is like a knit almost, a blended knit, so it's a heavier fabric, but I love it. It's so beautiful. And then this, another of my favorites. It has beautiful roses on it. It's a sheer, it's not silk. It's kind of like a cotton knit, I think. But it's got sparkles all the way through it. I hope the camera picks that up. You can see the little sparkles in the fabric. It's like glitter right in the fabric. So pretty. Look at those flowers. So I hope you can see the glitter there. Absolutely stunning. I love that one. And then this is a nice big piece. Again, more than enough to cover a journal, and it has these beautiful embroidered flowers here. And the pink and the orange, which is such a good color together. And then this almost looks like the stitching on a cantha quilt. That's what it reminded me of. But it's not. It's actually embroidered right on there. And the edge is all beaded in this beautiful beaded sequins and little seed beads. So this piece has two sides that are sequined because that was the corner. So somebody will be getting the corner piece with the two sides. So again, a beautiful big piece. More than enough for a journal. You might be able to get 2 journals out of that. It's huge. So that's so pretty. Just beautiful. And then there is 2 of these pieces. Well, 3 of these pieces. Pardon me. There's 3 on this piece. So there'll be 3 in your kit. I love these beaded and embroidered pieces that are mixed together. Super pretty. Great for journals. And then this beautiful gold piece, and this is part of a sleeve, this particular one, but the other pieces of the sari will be the same. Some of them will have this gold trim on the edge, and then it's got the metallic embroidery, and then it's got the little mirrors as well. And then this is another beautiful embroidered piece in a mossy green and gold. And there's a beautiful big piece there to do something with. This beautiful piece here of fabric in the teal and gold. And I actually made a bag out of this for my swap with Julie Derry. I don't know if you saw her video when she posted it, but I made a bag for her out of this, and it turned out really pretty. So there's enough there to make a bag for sure. Yep. You could easily make a bag out of these for sure. And then this beautiful piece is a part of a sleeve, and these are all wire thread with little tiny, yeah, it's blue wire thread. So these are all wired flowers. They're so cute. So you get quite a few on a piece. So you could cut those out individually if you wanted to as well, or you could make a pocket. Like, there's lots there to work with. And then last but not least, I'm including these pieces that I put in my last sari kit because everybody loved them. So I'm adding 2 of these as a bonus. One in the red with the pearls and the metal fabric. And again, it's a nice big piece. Very, very big piece. And then one in the navy with the wire and the pearls. So that's your little extra free gift, because I do have a fair bit of that, so I thought I would share that. So that is the kit. There is 28 pieces in total. The kit is $18 plus your shipping, and it's first come, first serve, of course. But if I do run out of kits, I'm happy to put you together a similar kit. I had to do that last time because I ran out of kits. And I had some people messaging me, so I did put together other kits that were similar. So if I do run out, I'm happy to put you together another kit that will have, you know, maybe some different things in it than this one. I'll try to keep it as close to this one as possible, but it may be a little different. But I hope that you like this kit, guys. I love it. There's tons here that you can work with, and $18 is a really good deal for what you're getting in this kit, because I've seen similar kits like this that sell for quite a bit of money. So I hope that you like it and that you will let me know if you want it. Email me. That's in the description box, or just leave a comment on the video. Thanks, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye.